Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and download the KryptoScalper software. And then in the second part, I will show you how to generate API trading keys from your cryptocurrency exchange. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's go to the KryptoScalper.com website. And if you haven't already, please read through the homepage and its contents to see if KryptoScalper is right for you. There's a lot of helpful and useful information in here. And don't forget, there is a documentation page, which has a lot of rich information on questions you may have when setting up and running the KryptoScalper app. So first, let's go ahead and click on the sign up page. And what you'll want to do first thing is sign up for an account. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my information and put in a password. And of course, read the privacy policy and terms and conditions before checking the box, and then go ahead and create new user. So what you'll want to do is it's going to send an email to your account, and you'll want to make sure you check the spam folder in case you haven't received the message. But in my case, I got the email, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it and click on the link to verify and activate your account. And in doing so, it takes you straight to the license key, the profile page. And one of the first things you'll want to do is click on the generate license key. And once you do that, you'll want to go ahead and copy and paste that somewhere because you're going to need that later in the setup. But to use the KryptoScalper app, you're going to need the license key. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that. Okay. All right, at that point, next thing you're going to want to do then is go to the download page. And as you can see, there's three options. Go ahead and select the download that's right for your system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Windows zip file, and I'll go ahead and save that. All right. All right, so the download has finished. When you click on it, it'll take you to the downloads folder. Go ahead and double click on it. And what you'll want to do is just right click copy and that whole folder that's inside the zip file. And let's see, and let's go ahead and paste that into, I created a KryptoScalper folder. So let's go ahead and paste that in there. All right. And after you paste it, if you double click on it, what you'll see right here is the folder structure. And inside the disk folder, you should see all of the executables. So at this point, we are done with the download. And then the next step is to go to our cryptocurrency exchange account. And let's go ahead and start generating some API trading keys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my Gate account. And what you'll want to do is hover over the person icon and go ahead and select API management. So for Gate, what you'll want to do is you'll want to select the API v4 key selection on the left-hand side. And here, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on this button over here, create new API key. And you'll want to give it a name. So let's go ahead and call this, say, KS1. And you'll want to select the spot trade box. Make sure that has read-write permission. And select the wallet box. Make sure that has read-only permission. Those are the two permissions you need. Those are the minimal permissions you need for KryptoScalper to work with Gate. Once you make your selections, go ahead and click on Confirm and Create. And you'll want to go ahead and put in your password and your Google Authenticator code. So let me go ahead and do that. See. All right. Go ahead and click OK. And once you do that, you'll get this pop-up where you'll see, well, you have your key and your secret key. So you'll want to first click on copy and copy this key right here. So let me bring up my notepad. All right. Gate key. Let's go ahead and paste that. And then you'll want to copy your secret key. Let's go ahead and type that in here because we're going to need that again later on in the process for the config file. So once you have that, you'll want to copy and paste your keys. At that point, you can go ahead and click OK, which you're done. And to keep in mind, if you're generating keys for the Binance or the Huobi platform, go to the KryptoScalper site on the documentation section. There's links here on generating API keys for Binance as well as Huobi. If you click on those links, it'll show you how your selection needs to look in Binance. And in Binance, when you're creating your key, you want to make sure you select the box Enable Spot Trading. Make sure that's selected and leave the others blank. So the read and enable spot trading. And at the same time, for Huobi, similar process. If you click on that link, you want to make sure that you select the box read only and trade for Huobi before you go ahead and create your keys. So at this point, we are done with the video. And in the next video, I will go over how to work with your antivirus and firewall, as well as configuring and setting up the app.